We discussed 6 of the different Nayaka heroines of Krishna, Gopi lovers of Krishna, the Nayikas, and there's only 2 more left, and they're both Bhartrika. I'm not sure what Bhartrika means, but so far we discussed the Abhisarika Nayika, the Vasak Saja Nayika, Utkantita Nayika, Vipralabdha Nayika, and Kandita Nayika, and Kalahantarita Nayika. So this is 5, and now we'll discuss the 5th one. Excuse me, that was 6. Now the 7th one is Proshita Bhartrika. This is called the lover in distant separation. A girl, this is a gopi. When Krishna goes to a very distant country, this gopi, the mood and feeling and bhav as a lover heroine, Nayika, she adopts a bhav of Proshita Bhartrika. In her absence, in her separation from her lover who has gone to a distant place or country, the gopi praises her absent lover. As she's remembering him and missing him, remembering Krishna, missing him, and praising him and glorifying him to her confidential Sakhis and Manjaris. And she feels very weak, no energy, no strength, and no spirit. She feels dispirited and she loses her appetite, doesn't eat, becomes wasted away, emaciated. She can't sleep at night, and missing her lover. Usually every night, Radharani and the gopis would spend in the forests of Vrindavan, in the kunjas and dancing and playing in the Yamuna. Now they're alone, they can't sleep. Miserable, she feels miserable, unsteady, stunned, stamba, and filled with anxieties. So these are the qualities of the Proshita Bhartrika lover.